Welcome back. Today I'll give you 10 more video ideas to take your business marketing to the next level. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure to go back and view it so you don't miss out. Let's get started. Idea number 11, event coverage video. If you often participate in business events such as trade shows, conferences, or networking meetups, it's a good idea to make a video chronicling the event. You can use event coverage videos for a variety of purposes. You can share the footage on social media, keep it in the archive for onboarding purposes, or even include sections of the video in your other marketing materials. Make an onboarding video. The role of an onboarding video is to introduce new employees to your company culture. They typically tell the story of your brand in a condensed form. They might also include interviews with employees and management, landmark events from the company's history, and even instructional content such as proper code of conduct. Idea 13, animated video. Animation does an excellent job of bringing abstract ideas to life. This makes it an excellent tool in business video contexts. Animated videos work great at shareholder meetings, where it's imperative to present information in an easy-to-understand way. Idea number 14, thank you video. A thank you video is an excellent PR tool for businesses. By thanking customers, shareholders, or the general public for their patronage and support, you will generate a lot of goodwill. Thank you videos are typically short, but you can expand them by providing some facts about the company's success. The viral video. When done correctly, viral videos can turn your company into a social media sensation overnight. The bump in popularity won't last long, but you can use your 15 minutes of fame to cement your brand in the public consciousness. Viral videos are hard to make though, because their main feature is unpredictability. Luckily, there are plenty of viral videos online to check out for inspiration. Idea 16, the video documentary. The advantage of video documentaries in a business context is that they have inherent value. Documenting a piece of the company's history will give viewers a better insight into the state of your industry as a whole. With that being said, video documentaries require a lot of work, so they're best used to commemorate anniversaries or other company milestones. Behind the scenes video. Behind the scenes videos are essentially a tool for representing your business in a more humane light. Instead of focusing on presentation and branding, behind the scenes videos show the human side of your company. They're also great for introducing potential employees to your company's culture. Number 18, the time-lapse video. Time-lapse videos focus on a single scene for a long duration, typically 24 hours. The idea is to show how the passage of time affects objects, places, and people. The easiest way to make a time-lapse video is to record a typical working day in your company. Number 19, the thought leadership video. Thought leadership videos let you speculate about technology, society, and the environment from a philosophical perspective. A good thought leadership video has the potential to shape future events by changing the way people think about a topic. But just don't veer off into the wild speculation, as this will erode your credibility if you miss the mark with your predictions. And number 20, the AMA video. AMA stands for Ask Me Anything. AMA videos are basically lengthy Q&A sessions with the general audience online. They have a long history of being hosted on Reddit. To be a good AMA host, be sure to answer a variety of seemingly unrelated questions. Try not to control the narrative. Just be honest and improvise if a weird question catches you off guard. There you have it, 20 great business video ideas to keep your marketing campaigns fresh and up to date. Give them a try and start leveraging the power of video content. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.